Hello everyone, welcome back. Happy New Year! The new year is almost here. So today's look is going to be a New Year's Eve party look. It's going to be shiny and glittery and smoky silver. So if you're interested, then please subscribe and keep on watching. Today's look is gonna be like more of a gunmetal silver, kind of something that goes with my nails and my outfit. And I'm kind of wanting to base everything on these two colors, like these two grays in this palette. So this is the Such a Know-It-All palette from NYX. I'm like really into my NYX palettes right now. So I think I'm gonna start the look by lining the lash line with a darker shade and then kind of blending it upwards and then putting some fun shiny stuff on there. And I'm gonna be using pigments for this, so it's gonna be real fun. So let's get started. So actually with a flat brush, I'm getting into like these two shades, just mixing them together on the brush and lining the lashes with it. I'm kind of blending this out to create a tiny bit of a wing. Now with this pointed brush, I'm kind of wanting to blend this light matte gray in the crease. Just to create a shape. And I'm kind of blending this line up with this gray in the crease. Okay, now going back into the palette, and this is like a really dark gunmetal gray shiny shade, which I'm gonna be putting on the rest of the lid. I don't think on my finger though, I think I'm gonna be using a brush for this, but I'm just watching the color for you. Basically, I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm putting the gray on it and putting it on the lid. So getting into this. And a little bit underneath the eyes. And now to make everything pop a lot more, I'm gonna be using pigments. I have these two from Revolution. They actually were in a set that I bought. Amazingly enough, they are called Sinner and Saint. So this is a gunmetal gray and this is like a really pearly white. And I'm gonna mix up the two and put them at the center of the lid. I'm gonna put a little bit of both in the cap and then mix them up in there and putting them on the lid. And I've got this trick that I learned from Miss Megan Robinson, that you can put brow gel on your lid and it would adhere the glitter on there. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on my hand and then and then with my finger on the center of the lid and then putting on the shiny stuff. With a flat brush. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is it. This is so gorgeous. This is exactly what I wanted. So fun. I'm putting loads because I just want the shine. Love it. Same thing on the other eye. Blending it up a tiny bit. And this is the all glittery look. I just love it. Look how shiny that is. I absolutely love it. And now a little bit of a pencil in the waterline. This is a She Glam pencil. And this is a gorgeous silver. Look how gorgeous that is. And this is going in the inner corner and in the waterline. Honestly, probably brow bone too. And now mascara. Mine is Art Deco. Mine is the Art Deco Volume Sensation. If you like a lash, by all means go in with those, but I just don't like them. I'll prefer my mascara. So this is the eye look. And now the lips. Well, since the eyes are about all of the drama, then the lips are going to be kind of demure, demutesy today. So I'm using a really nude Alverde lip pencil. And this is called actually Soft Nude, 22 Soft Nude, so this is what I'm using. Basically, this is the color of my lips as they are. Only with a bit of more definition, as you can tell. And then on the lips, it's going to be this really, really gorgeous lip gloss from Miss Sporty. This is a Precious Shine one, and this is called Unicorn something. It's called Fancy Unicorn. You can tell it has a gorgeous like blue pigment in it, which just goes so well with the eyes today, I feel. The more the better, honestly. So this is my New Year's look, you guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you for joining me in 2025. And then see you next year. Happy New Year, guys. Bye-bye.